In this video, I will show you how to do the text to speech on a TikTok video. Now, before we start, if you want to grow and succeed on TikTok and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to make the text to speech on a TikTok video. And after uploading or recording my video, I am going to add some text to my video using this text icon. And after that, I can first do some editing to my text. I can change the text font, add or remove the text background, change the text background color, and also align the text. I can also change the size of the text, move and rotate the text, or even delete the text and start afresh. Now, to turn the text into speech, I am going to click on the text to have these three options. Then I am going to click this first option, text to speech, and my text will get some speech.
Hey there.
And you can have an option to choose a different voice if TikTok has enabled that option in your region. Now, if you have more than one piece of text, you can first make them appear at different times using this setting duration option. Then you can go on to perform the text to speech.
Hey there. Check my new video.
And you can always cancel this process by clicking on the text and choosing cancel this first option. And this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.